Okay, so these, I'm not real sure if those are all caps or if that's small caps. If it's not small caps, make sure you set that in small caps. I'm not even really sure if you need small caps. I would set this traditionally without the caps because right now the caps are doing two things. They're creating a series of horizontal lines. And the reason they're doing that is because with the all caps, you're not getting the little nuances of the typeface. So really, as we can see, it ends up looking like a series of horizontal lines. I think that's working against you. I would recommend using traditional type. Um, Traditional typeset. I would not, right now you've got these paragraphs centered. You got a great 3-column grid. That's very nice, but you've got your type columns centered. Again, from our 18 rules or our 17 rules that we learned, that's one of them is it suggests not to center body copy. What I would do is I would if you want this clean look like that with a large leading, which I think it's kind of cool. I think it's a nice area and opening, very welcoming. Go ahead and justify your type. If you want these clean margins, justify your type, but make sure that the last line is aligned left. So it's justified, last line aligned left. Okay, and then I think that the timeline is really an issue, Tanisha. I mean, what are the significance of these little shapes here? I looked and I just don't see any. I don't see any. Graduated from Harvard's got a flag. Then you got this little kind of teardrop here, and then this little star here, and then this green teardrop and another different shape star. They're not related to your subject matter. If they are, it hasn't been explained. So these are just random choices. You can't see the years associated with them, so that it doesn't look like this is a timeline at all because the years are not visible. And this right here, I am really puzzled here. If you could describe this to me, I could definitely give you some ideas here, but I've thought about it and thought about it. I just don't know what this is or its relevance to the layout or the subject matter or the front of the poster for that matter. So that's something I'm really curious about. But other than that, I'd say, good start. If you have any questions or if you could explain this, I would appreciate it. But definitely the timeline and the bottom of the poster, I think are issues. All right. If you have any questions, I know you said you're still working, so apparently you're working towards those those solutions or some of the solutions I mentioned. I just want to check something here. Boy, this could be a PDF rendering, but this type looks darker. This type looks darker than this type. Check your color on those. We can definitely see it. Look how much darker. Look how much darker that text block looks than that text block. I checked those because now I'm looking and I'm wondering if the type size is the same. Check those out. Anyway, all right, that's what I have, Tanisha. So if you have any questions, comments, concerns, or anything else, or if you need additional help, or if I can provide any additional assistance, please feel free to let me know. Okay, thank you very much.